The HIUHIU R500 LVLP spray gun is designed to provide a smooth and professional finish by using lower air volume and pressure, minimizing overspray compared to traditional HVLP spray guns. With an impressive paint utilization rate of up to 65% and a wide spray pattern, this spray gun is efficient and reduces the time and paint required for projects. The spray gun is user-friendly, featuring a 2-gear trigger system that allows for easy operation, making it a great choice for reducing operator fatigue during long tasks. Perfect for beginners, the HIUHIU R500 comes as a complete kit with everything needed to start spraying, including a 1.3mm nozzle, pressure regulators, and oil-water separators. Built to last, the spray gun's body withstands high working pressure, while its stainless steel nozzle and needle are compatible with various coatings, and its polyethylene cup is resistant to corrosion. The HIUHIU R500 is suitable for automotive painting and body repair, offering reliable performance for both primer and top coat applications.